In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Google Slides, guiding you through the entire process step by step. Whether you want to upload a personal photograph or an image from your computer, I'm here to help you with ease. First, let's make sure you're on the right path by going to Google Slides, open your favorite web browser, and type in slides.google.com. Doing this will take you directly to the Google Slides interface. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Simply enter your email and password to gain access to all of Google's features. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you can unleash your creativity with endless presentation possibilities. You have the choice to start fresh with a blank presentation, or select from an array of pre-designed templates. For this tutorial, choose whichever suits your needs. To make a selection, simply click on Blank Presentation or scroll through and pick a template that catches your eye. Now that your presentation canvas is ready, it's time to insert an image. Locate the menu bar at the top of the screen and find the Insert option. Clicking on Insert will present you with a drop-down menu. Next, glide your cursor down to the Image option. Clicking here opens another menu with a range of sources to choose from for your image. For this demonstration, we'll focus on uploading an image from your computer. From the options available, select Upload from Computer. After clicking this, a dialog box will appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Browse to the location where your image is saved, click on the image file, and then hit Open. Your chosen image will appear on the slide. At this point, you may want to adjust the size or position of the image to suit your presentation. Click and drag the image to move it around on the slide. You can resize the image by clicking on one of the corners and dragging it in or out until it reaches your preferred size. And there you have it. Now you know how to add an image from your computer to a Google Slides presentation. This skill is remarkably useful for creating visually appealing presentations, helping you communicate your ideas more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.